What is social marginalization? Social marginalization is a situation experienced by an individual or social group in which they are not considered part of a society in a political, economic, professional, or social terms. This phenomenon can occur because the population follows either accepted by society or because the interests of a minority group by power are followed. The processes of social marginalization are expressed in terms of recognition, indifference, repression, or reclusion. Regardless of their degree, a common characteristic is the lack of opportunities and the deprivation and inaccessibility of basic goods and services for social welfare. Types of social marginalization: alternative marginalization or self-exclusion, natural marginalization or exclusion or indifference, artificial marginalization of exclusion or repression of conduct, cultural marginalization, justifiable marginalization, evasive marginalization.
How does the marginalization affects on the education? So, we can get to the conclusion that the lack of education leads to marginalization, same that leads the individual to not integrate with the rest of society, excluding it from everyday activities and work. This affects directly the human development. And now, what's the educational marginalization? This one appears as a consequence from the social marginalization. The school is not the origin, it acts as the agent of a marginalized social system.
What cause of the marginalization? The principal cause of the marginalization are the social environment, the family, the school, the job, and the preference of the person. The other cause of marginalization is the inadaptation and antisocial personality. These factors affect the social life of the person and cause social exclusion. People can be marginalized due to multiple factors. For example, sexual orientation, gender, geography, ethnicity, religion, displacement, conflict, or disability.
All of us at some point in our lives have experienced marginalization, and in that moment we ask ourselves, what to do about it? That is why I will explain some ways to deal with marginalization. Number one, in case of being marginalized, it is advisable to face discrimination situations without letting yourself be harmed by marginalization. It is advisable to face it, and in this way, the elimination of prejudices and stereotypes will be favored. Number two, if marginalization becomes more frequent and heavy, do not hesitate to go to your teachers for support. Number three, raise society to break the barrier of prejudices. It is important that from the beginning, in a school environment, there are no prejudices. And for this, it is necessary to make students aware of not causing aggressions of marginalization towards anyone. Number four, it is important that from home you raise awareness about the respect for others and self respect.
We can try to solve this with these 5 simple strategies for reducing exclusion. And most importantly, respect everyone as they are.